Are you tired of staring at a blank screen, waiting for inspiration to strike? Whether you are a YouTuber trying to script your next viral video, a blogger trying to rank on Google, or a business owner struggling to write engaging social media posts, content creation can be absolutely exhausting. It drains your time, your energy, and your resources. You have probably tried using standard AI chatbots, but figuring out the perfect prompt to get high-quality professional results is a skill that takes months to master. You don't have time for that. You need a solution that works instantly, right out of the box. Welcome back to AMAAI Tech, your ultimate destination for discovering the most powerful artificial intelligence tools to supercharge your productivity and skyrocket your online income. Today we are diving deep into a game-changing AI writing platform that is taking the digital marketing world by storm. It is called GravityWrite. In this video, I am going to give you a comprehensive review and a step-by-step tutorial on how to use GravityWrite to generate months' worth of high-converting content in just a few minutes. If you want to follow along and try this incredible tool for yourself, I have placed a special link right at the top of the description below. Click that link and let's revolutionize your content creation workflow together. So what exactly is GravityWrite, and why is it vastly superior to just using a standard AI chatbot? Think of GravityWrite as your very own elite team of professional copywriters, SEO experts, and marketing strategists, all packed into one intuitive dashboard. While other AI tools require you to write complex paragraph-long prompts just to get a decent response, GravityWrite completely eliminates the guesswork. It features over 115 highly optimized, pre-trained AI templates. These templates are specifically engineered for distinct use cases. Whether you need a highly persuasive Facebook ad, a 2,000-word SEO-optimized blog post, a catchy TikTok script, or a high-converting email newsletter, GravityWrite has a dedicated tool for it. It uses advanced language models but structures the output perfectly for marketing and content creation. You simply fill in the blanks, and the AI does the heavy lifting. It saves you hours of formatting, editing, and prompt engineering. Let me show you exactly how powerful this is. We are now inside the GravityWrite dashboard. The user interface is incredibly clean, modern, and easy to navigate. You don't need any technical background to understand this. Let's put GravityWrite to the ultimate test. Imagine you want to launch a new blog for your website, but you have zero time to write. Let's click on the Blog Workflow category on the left sidebar. Notice how GravityWrite treats content creation like a true professional. Instead of just giving you a generic wall of text, it breaks the process down into logical, SEO-optimized steps. You have tools for topic ideas, generating an outline, and writing the final piece. For this demo, let's jump straight into the blog content tool to see the magic happen. Look at this intuitive setup. First, it asks for the core information. I will type our topic into the blog topic field. The benefits of artificial intelligence in small business. Next, it asks for a blog outline. If you don't have one, you can simply use GravityWrite's outline generator first. But for now, I will just paste a quick 3-point outline I have ready. You also have an advanced settings drop-down here, which allows you to fine-tune the tone of voice and language to perfectly match your brand's style. Everything is completely customizable. Now, I just click Create Content. And boom! Look at that speed. In a matter of seconds, GravityWrite has generated a comprehensive, deeply researched, and perfectly structured blog post. But I want you to notice the quality of the output. It didn't just give me a massive wall of text. It generated a catchy, SEO-friendly title. It created a compelling introduction that hooks the reader. It automatically formatted the content with clear H2 and H3 headings, which is an absolute must for Google ranking. It included bulleted lists for readability, and it even wrapped up with a strong conclusion and a call to action. The vocabulary is rich, the sentence structure is varied, and the flow is entirely natural. You could literally copy this, paste it into WordPress, hit publish, and watch the organic traffic roll in. The time saved here is truly monumental. But what if you are a video creator? YouTube is one of the most profitable platforms on the internet right now. Let's dive into GravityWrite's YouTube tools. We click on the YouTube Tools section and look at this massive toolkit. We have outline generators, hook makers, audience analysis, and even scripts for viral shorts. But I want to show you the ultimate time saver. I am going to click on All-in-One YT Content. This tool is an absolute game changer. I simply input a raw idea, like Top AI Tools for Productivity 2026. I hit Generate, and watch this. It doesn't just give me a script, it generates a high CTR title, a fully optimized YouTube description, the best tags to rank on search, and a complete engaging script with visual cues. In one single click, your entire video pre-production is completely finished. It is like having a professional YouTube producer sitting right next to you. The versatility of GravityWrite is what truly sets it apart from the competition. We just covered blogging and YouTube, but the possibilities are literally endless. Are you running an e-commerce store? GravityWrite can generate hundreds of persuasive product descriptions that turn visitors into buyers. Are you an affiliate marketer? You can use it to write high-converting email sequences and promotional posts. Are you managing social media? The Instagram caption generator and Twitter thread maker will keep your feeds active and engaging every single day, with the perfect emojis and trending hashtags automatically included. It completely removes the bottleneck of content creation. You no longer have to pay expensive freelance copywriters or spend your weekends agonizing over ad copy. GravityWrite empowers you to scale your content output by 10 times, allowing you to dominate your niche, reach a wider audience, and ultimately increase your revenue. Now let's talk about the absolute best part, the pricing. With all these premium features, you might expect GravityWrite to cost a fortune, but it is incredibly accessible. They actually offer a completely free plan. Yes, you heard that right. You can sign up right now, zero risk, no credit card required, and test out these amazing templates to see the quality for yourself. You get thousands of free words to play with every single month. When you are ready to scale up and generate unlimited content, their premium plans are shockingly affordable, especially when you compare it to the cost of a single freelance article. It is an absolute no-brainer investment for your business, your channel, or your marketing agency. If you are serious about leveling up your digital marketing, saving hundreds of hours, and creating top-tier content effortlessly, you absolutely must try this tool. Stop struggling with blank pages and generic ChatGPT prompts. Upgrade your workflow today. I have put my exclusive link right at the top of the video description and in the pinned comment. Click that link right now. GravityWrite.com/? via equals PLM2025. Sign up for your free account and start creating magic. I guarantee you will be blown away by the results. Thank you so much for watching AMAAI Tech. If you found this GravityWrite review and tutorial helpful, please smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest AI tools that will help you grow your online empire. Drop a comment below and let me know. What is the first piece of content you are going to create using GravityWrite? I can't wait to read your answers. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and I will see you in the next video.